guys, this is the access point.
Yeah, you come in right through the garage.
That's the garage right there.
Yeah.
We're
I
gonna
got garage heat. My garage is warmer than it is in the house.
Well, I guess you could leave the garage door open.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said. If I had to, I could
through here.
do that too.
This is our unit. Furnace sits on the other side. This is the return. This is the front side. Switch is on the far right over there. Filter is right here. 16 by 25. I'm sorry, 16 by 20. We may be replacing the air conditioner, but we're going to need new vent pipe. New switch on the side of the furnace. And got shut off.